Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the CUKOR cast iron grill griddle. A versatile kitchen essential perfect for indoor cooking and grilling on gas grills or induction cooktops. This skillet boasts a unique tenderloin design that creates beautiful vertical line marks on your food, while its shunt design ensures healthy cooking by allowing excess fat to flow away. The ergonomic handle is seamlessly integrated, eliminating the risk of detachment and making maintenance a breeze. With dimensions of 12.59 inches by 10.43 inches and a height of 0.78 inches, this compact grill pan is crafted through an iron casting process for uniform heat distribution, making it ideal for any stove. Its compatibility with induction burners, stoves, grills, campfires, and ovens, combined with its stain, peel, and crack-resistant construction, ensures durability and easy cleanup. Made from refined iron ore without any surface coating, this grill pan is safe for your health as it doesn't chemically react with food or release harmful substances, and it even contains trace elements beneficial to the human body. If you have any questions or issues, feel free to reach out to us for assistance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.